Kukunin ko na yung microphone.
Actually, the whole experience has been really fun. If you want to look at eksena mismo, I enjoyed the difficulty sa death scene ko. It was, bakit? Ano gusto mong sabihin, bro? Ano? Sige, ano?
I think you did really great, bro. Yun lang.
It was a difficult scene, and it was a lot of different scenes with different characters, and but I enjoyed it at the same time, and the support of the other cast and just the ensemble of us working together. It was fun. But mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung mga kasama ko sa cast. It's not my first time working with Paolo. I super enjoyed working with him. I appreciate Kim more, and a background story nung nagsushoot kami dun sa bahay niya. We were shooting in an area that's not as well off. But yung ginawa ni Kim, she's just giving out 1,000 pesos. She's giving so much money.
Kanino?
Sa mga tao na dun sa area, she was just giving out money to help the people in the area. And I just like, parang grabe yung puso ni Kim. I just appreciated her more. I want to let people know yun ang ginawa niya. I'm sure she doesn't want to share that, but nakita ko yung ginawa niya. She was giving out money to people na nangangailangan dun sa area. And I was such a nice thing na nakita ko na ginawa ni Kim. I thought it was a really nice thing that she did. So mas lalo ko na-appreciate si Kim Chu because of nakita niya yung ginawa niya. And that's all. But the whole cast, like it was a great experience with si Direk Jojo and yung mga ibang directors. It was just a great experience, and I felt so blessed to be part of this project. It was a lot of fun.
It's a great ikaw, pasahod lang kami ng ganun. Care
Hindi mo na kailangan.
to comment lang doon sa shinare. I know it's very personal, I know, yeah, but Sam already shared it. Why did you have to do it?
Ano lang, hindi kasi siya sobrang ganda. Pero tsaka nakakaabala kasi kami sa lugar, which is hindi naman lahat ay nabibigyan ng bayad doon sa lugar na yun. Pero very pleasant lahat ng mga tao doon. Support talaga sila. Yung hindi mo nahihingin na tumahimik sila. Hindi mo nahihingin yung supporta nila. Pero parang it feels like home kasi mga Bisaya po na dito. So murag ka nang, it feels very close. Parang kapatid ko silang lahat. Uy, pasensya na kayo. Napupuyat sila, naaabala sila in their daily lives. Yet they support us and hindi sila nagagalit at naninigaw sa amin. So, in exchange, tsaka little something. Wala akong cash. May cash ka ba dyan? Kulang.
Totoo ba?
Oo, utang mo na kasi kulang.
Binayaran na ako, yes.
Pero binayaran ko siya.
Inutang
Kaya alam
naman
niya,
pala.
pautang ng konti, wala akong cash dyan.
Thanks, Kimmy, for sharing that. Pao, your favorite memory? Film? Dapat ba sa kanya yung question, Sophia, eh, no? Sino ba may ganong eksena dito sa inyo? Na ganun din, intense? Because I'm sure this is packed with intense scenes from The Alibi. Sa new ones, sa mga younger ones. Kimmy?
May scene akong inapakan yung ulo ko ni Ate Kim. Naka-heel
Uy!
siya, yes. Pero okay lang naman.
Bakit?
Palaban kasi si Stella dito. It's far from Kim Chu herself.
Okay.
So, natapakan siya kasi kinuha niya yung
Make-up mo.
Make-up, gano'n.
Ah.
Palaban siya talaga na tao. So,
Okay.
bawal siya tibagin.
So, inapakan mo sa mukha.
Yes.
Ang bumangga, giba.
Wow! Sino ba? Angelina, meron bang intense scenes here?
Ate Kim na physically wala na.
Hindi naman, emotionally.
Yung nahilo ka.
Oh my God, yun was emotionally. Yung pinakaunang scene ko, as
Ever.
Catherine, ever, sa serye. Oh my God. Intense siya physically and emotionally kasi ang init. Tapos,
Hindi siya confrontational na tao.
Okay.
Hindi ako confrontational.
And the
May
scene
mga-
was confrontation.
Yeah, very
Okay.
confrontational. May mga moments din ako na, when it's confrontational, the audio guy goes up to me and asks me, Angelina, are you okay? Kasi yung heart mo,
Lamel niya gumagana.
Oh.
but this scene with Ate Kim, yung pinakaunang scene, I almost fainted from how confrontational it is. It's stressful.
Aware ka nun, Kim? Na parang medyo
Nakita ko siya.
nagka-hyperventilate siya, gano'n?
Oo, tapos sabi ko, upo ka muna sa likod, yung tubig muna. Kasi intense. First day pa lang, first day.
Sinabak agad sa ganong ano.
Yeah, but as soon as time went by, I think I got used to it naman.
Wow.
Galing na siya, super.
Yeah.
With the help of Ate Kim, of course.
Robbie, ikaw, meron ka bang intense?
Siguro sa mga kapatid ko.
Okay.
Pero nagkaroon na rin ako ng intense scene sa tatay namin dito sa Charles.
Okay.
So, I guess, ang isang aspeto sa kwento ng The Alibay na pwedeng asahan ng mga audience natin is pagdating sa mga conflict with friends and family, this is the story to watch.
Alright. Sophia, go ahead.
To share kay isang palyan.
Ah, talaga?
Pero I was like feeling so blessed all kasi malaki.
Direct pag ganung mga eksena ba, do you choreograph, do you rehearse? Paano yung pag-preparation for that?
Meron namang blocking, pero as much as possible dapat as real as possible din yung blocking. Kasi may mga actors talaga na gusto yung totoo. Halata mo kasi pag fake eh, kasi meron na-wait mo, nauna yung ano,
Naabang nga, na-anticipate. Oo nga. Kaya mas maganda yung bitaw, napaka-natural. Nice. Okay. Our next set of questions magagaling kay Miss France Sahorda. Working with Kim Pao, and do you feel more confident now on camera, or do you still get nervous or jitters?
Yes, this is my first teleserye or experience as an actor. Ang experience ko naman working with Kuya Pao and Ate Kim is very friendly, very fun. Kapag walang eksena or off the set, light ang trabaho, madali silang kausapin o pwede ko silang lapitan at humingi ng advice for actors' notes. And as for nerves and jitters, I think that with more experience, hindi pa rin nawawala lagi yung pagiging nervyoso. Pero yung proseso mo bilang isang actor para, I guess, to overcome the nervousness is built upon, and I hope to have more experiences in the future.
Yeah, you're just getting started, di ba? Pero you're in good company sa first project mo, di ba? The Alibay.
100%.
From Hannah Malone, pwede natin sa lahat. What's your favorite memory while filming in Cebu? Tama? Is it 100% in Cebu? Hindi naman. Majority lang.
80%.
Okay. So, what's your favorite memory? Isa-isa natin. Kimi, yung inapakan ka sa mukha?
Yes,
Okay.
yun siguro. And the rest of the, maybe on the choreography side as well, working with Ate Kim personally with her. And I've known her for a long time now, for a year maybe in Showtime, but now mas naging close siguro kami. And also seeing everyone here who are actresses and actors, kasi first time ko talaga, so hello, parang ganun ako, ano bang gagawin dito? So for the ano lang ako, observe, tapos I try to mirror what they do, or like I learn from them, and I ask questions as well, but mostly it's working with them closely, so yeah. Wow, English.
Yeah, bring that with
So,
you, diba,
yeah.
for your next project.
Yes, sana
Yeah.
nga, yes. So,
PJ, ikaw naman. Favorite memory?
Memory? Ano ba? Marami the bonding itself. Kasi parang minsan nga pag-isip, excited na ako, magta-taping na kami. Chikahan na kami ni Kim.
Anong trabaho ba kayong dalawa? O...
Actually, parang hindi. More on chika.
More on chika lang.
Marami na kami na chismis, na shopping. Shopping. Ayan.
Ikaw lang sa
Ayan, ako lang pala
shopping.
yung shopping. Yun ang kinakasaya ko pag day off eh. SNR ako eh.
Nag-plug ka pa, PJ. Ah. Okay.
Nag-grocery ako.
Nice. That's a good memory.
Yes.
Diba? Angelina, ikaw, aside from sa first taping day mo na...
Well, as my first series, I think yung entire experience has been very memorable. Maybe yung my favorite taping day or taping days, my favorite moments would be when we filmed sa Temple of Leia. I feel like I really love that location and the scene and the part of the story as well. So just filming everything there.
There. Thanks, Angelina. Robbie, favorite memory?
Siguro dalawa yung favorite memories ko, or two memories or experiences na I know I will never forget. Yung isa siguro, I'm sure naalala niyo na lahat kung andun kayo noong lockdown na yun. Pero lumindol habang nagtitaping kami.
yes.
Yeah, so it was a little scary. But it was cool that we were all together, I guess. And thankfully lahat kami we were safe.
Right.
No one in the cast or sa prod team. Wala naman sa amin nasaktan.
Right.
And then, I guess the second thing would be, as binanggit nga ni Angelina, it's our first experience.
Core memory to eh, di ba?
I guess what I will never forget and take home is how there's a true and major passion for storytelling that not just Dreamscapes or Star Magic has, but each and every member of prod, cameramen, APs, assistant directors, to the cast. I think that that congregation of people coming together for one goal.
After that, so nung nagsama-sama kami sa isang lugar, we were able to catch up. Kasi parang bihira kami nagkakasama lahat.
Totoo?
Yeah, kasi may Unit 1, Unit 2.
Okay, yes.
So, usually kasama ko si Pao kasi nandun kami sa corporate, nandun kami sa mundo ni Pao, and iba yung mundo ni Kim. So, nung nagkaroon kami ng time na mag-catch up kung ano nangyayari sa lock-in namin, so I think that was really something. It got us closer because all the directors were there, then everyone actually, lahat ng production staff. So, I think that's one memory that that happened nung lock-in namin sa Cebu. That was very special. And yeah, I hope working with Kate Pao, it's really nice. It's really nice, and I can't wait. I know I'll be working with them again. So yeah, even with the rest of the cast, it's really good.
Alright, thanks Tao.
Finally, after all these years, finally sharing a frame on TV with Sam Milby. Kasi napagkakamalan ako lagi na ikaw ba si Sam Milby? Minsan no. Ganun eh. So finally, nagsama kami ni Sam sa television para malaman ng tao na magkaiba kaming tao.
How do you react? How do you react pag sinasabi
Wala, I told Sam, finally bro, after all these years, we've been talking naman out sa ASAP, and then finally ngayon, we're finally throwing lines to each other sa isang teleserye.
I'm so touched, bro. Thank you.
So, yeah, but this is not about you, bro. It's about the next point. Aside from that.
Sorry. But thank you lang.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you lang.
super awesome experience. And yung pinaka-main memorable talaga, aside yung kasam, is yung countless times na binabatukan ako ni John Arcilla sa mga eksena.
Oh.
Hindi siya masyado pinalabas sa Prime, pero
Dito.
sa Free TV, I'm sure makikita niyo yung chemistry nung mag-ama na yan na nakakabaliw.
Okay.
Seriously, as an actor, kasi I love my dad. I grew up very disciplined because of him. And then seeing sort of flashbacks sa kung paano ako pinalaki ng tatay ko was very, I would say memorable, but the real word is traumatizing.
We'll watch out for that. Sophia, ikaw naman.
Kasama ko at mga artista na kasama ko. Siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung meron kaming eksena ni Kim sa Temple of Leia. Tinip yun ng 3 hours. And she has been super patient with me. Parang never pa ako naka-experience ever ng ganun ka down to earth na she really was there supporting me. Hinihiya ako sa kanya kasi parang wala lahat yung experience ko. Parang it humbles you talaga. And I'm just there to parang hinihiya ako sa kanya. Parang deserve ko ba itong role na to? Parang gano'n. But she was good.
Alam mo, from the cast members na, Sheil, ba't umiiyak ka? Di ka naman cast. Okay, siya pala yun, oo. Hindi, nakakatuwa lang kasi parang